In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily integrate custom AI builder prompts into your Microsoft Copilot Studio agents. To get started, sign in to Microsoft Copilot Studio and open the agent you want to improve. This is the agent where your new AI capability will live, so make sure you're working in the correct environment before making any changes. Once you're inside the agent, you're ready to connect the prompt directly into the conversation flow. Next, go to the Topics tab and choose the specific topic where you want to add this AI functionality. Topics control how your agent responds in different situations, so it's important to place the prompt in the part of the conversation where it will be most useful. Think about the moment when the agent needs help generating, summarizing, or extracting information. After that, find the conversation node where you want the AI action to happen and click the plus icon underneath it to add a new node. This lets you insert a new step into the flow without disrupting the rest of your topic. Placement matters here because the AI prompt should run only when the right context has already been collected. From the menu, select Call an Action and then choose Create an AI Builder Prompt. This is the feature that allows you to bring custom AI behavior into your agent without needing to build a separate external process. It keeps everything inside the Copilot Studio experience, which makes testing and maintenance much easier. Now write a clear, specific prompt that explains exactly what you want the AI to do. For example, you might ask it to summarize customer feedback or extract important details from a message. The clearer your instruction is, the more reliable and useful the output will be. Keep your wording direct and focused on the result you want. Then add input variables to the prompt so it knows which information from the conversation it should process. These inputs give the AI the context it needs, such as user responses or previously captured text. If the variables are mapped correctly, the prompt will be able to generate a response based on the actual conversation. Once that's done, save the prompt and assign an output variable. This output is what your agent will use later in the chat, so it's essential to store it properly. That way, the generated result can appear in a message, feed another action, or support the next part of the conversation. Finally, use the preview panel on the left to test the agent and confirm that the AI builder prompt is working as expected. Run through the scenario, check the output, and make sure the response appears at the right point in the conversation. Thanks for watching and enjoy building smarter agents with AI Builder and Copilot Studio.